Home gardening is an activity that involves the growing of plants in and around a home. Home gardening can be done for food, decoration, or as a hobby. Home gardeners may choose to grow flowers, vegetables, herbs, and other plants in their garden. Home gardeners typically use a variety of techniques, such as composting, mulching, and companion planting, to ensure their garden is healthy and productive. In addition to gardening, home gardeners may also be interested in landscaping, lawn care, and other outdoor activities. Better nutrition. Home gardening allows you to grow your own fresh produce, including vegetables, fruits, herbs, and spices. This can provide a healthier diet and help you consume more nutrient-rich foods. Sense of accomplishment. Growing your own food gives a real sense of accomplishment. You can track your progress, watch your plants grow, and then enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Connect with nature. Home gardening provides an opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the natural environment. This can help to reduce stress and provide a sense of relaxation. Save money. Growing your own produce can save you money on grocery bills. You can also reuse containers, such as plastic pots, to save even more money. Fun activity. Gardening is a fun and enjoyable activity. It can be a great way to spend time with family and friends. Improved physical and mental health. Gardening is a great form of physical activity and can help improve overall physical health. It also has a positive impact on mental health, reducing stress and anxiety and improving mood. Increased access to fresh produce. Growing your own fruits and vegetables at home means you have access to fresh produce that is free of pesticides and other chemicals. This can be especially beneficial for families on a budget. Connecting to nature. Gardening is a great way to get outdoors and enjoy nature. It can help reduce stress and provide an opportunity to unplug from technology. Teaching children about food. Home gardening can be a great way to teach children where their food comes from and the importance of eating healthy.